Hey guys, Infiniti QX80. I have problem with the door lock. If you hear this sound, when you open, close. When you open, it sounds like gears making noise. So, how we gonna do it? First, you have to order. I ordered it on eBay. Just $40. Brand new door lock actuator with all cables, $40. When you order, make sure you order right side. This is right side, that one is left. I messed up once and I had to order again. So first you have to do, remove this handle. Just pop it up with screwdriver, very careful, right over here. You can use piece of plastic. Okay, then you have just two screws, Phillips screwdriver. Then you have to pull out this plastic. Probably you need the pliers or screwdriver. So this is the piece, and you have another screw. So remove two screws, go to the side, use screwdriver, pull out this panel. So no more screws all around. You have only 3 screws here. Everything else you just pull it. Then you have to disconnect all the cables. It's pretty easy, blue to blue, gray to gray. Okay, done. Next you have this actuator. You can simply detach this, pull it up, out, done. So then you have only this cable left. I'm gonna leave it alone, so to just keep this panel on the side. I left it as is. You can work in this position. So then you have to open this area. I was using this knife to cut it carefully. I cannot do it with one hand, so you just one hand you pull it and then another hand you cut. It goes very nice, so you don't make a mess and it's easy to attach it back. See? Beautiful. Then you need this key, I think it's number 4. And remove this actuator. When you're doing last screw, make sure it's not gonna fall inside the door. Okay, this is our piece. I was trying to work on this before, and I tried to remove this cable because this 2 cables goes to the handle and another cable goes to the door handle here outside. And I just wanted to remove the cable over here and just put the new lock without cable, but like you see, this piece is very sensitive and it's cracked already, so probably I have to replace together with all the cables. Okay, so to replace this actuator is gonna take 10 minutes, but the problem is with this cable which goes to the handle. It's no way to remove it by itself as is. You have to remove the handle, and I have no idea, it could be too complicated. I'm not gonna do it. I don't want to mess up anything. So in this case you have to remove this cable and attach the old one here from the door handle. This piece easy to remove. This, be careful, it's gonna break. And this I'm gonna bend a little bit with the pliers, and then you can take off, you see. Then you put new one, bend it back. This is the simplest way to replace it. Okay, just place it here. So don't make my mistakes, because I wasn't careful enough and I break this piece. It's still gonna work, but when you bend these pieces, just be careful with this. That's all. When you put it back, don't forget to connect the power. Put insulation back, stick out two cables. You cannot mess up because it's different connection. Okay, before you attach everything else, make sure it's working. Looks like. Let's see. Closed. Okay, open. Beautiful. Everything's working. So 10 minutes job, $40. You done?